guys, what's up? For today's video, I'm gonna be filming a everyday morning routine. As you can see, I'm looking like a rat, more like a cockroach. I'm not trying to degrade cockroaches or anything because I look worse than them. Right now, I'm looking like a 0, and we're gonna get me looking like a 0.2. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm so tired right now. I don't get why I'm like this. Okay, I don't know if this is just a me thing. Probably is, but I always I say what you call it a lot, and I always end up laughing like that, like when things get like weird. Anyways, we're gonna be starting off with some Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. I can't even tell you how important moisturizing your face is. After I actually started moisturizing my face, my skin has been looking a lot better, and it probably doesn't look that good to y'all, but it's been really bad lately, so we're trying to work with it. I cleaned my hands before this, I washed my face, so I'm just gonna yeah. It feels like water because it is a water gel. It feels really light. I really don't like any moisturizer because it was heavy, but this, oh my god, life-saving. Okay, so this is my everyday makeup bag. It's from It's Judy's Time. Please sponsor me, Judy. I love you, my queen, my everything. So basically, I keep the tag on because I'm that person. And so the top one opens and it's like the brushes, and I have some Polaroids in here, but I'm gonna be using these brushes, and then the rest of my makeup is stored in here. It's just like that. So yeah, I'm gonna be starting off with the Mario Badescu spray. This one is the Aloe Cucumber and Green Tea. It's the green one, if you couldn't tell. I know this helps with skincare, and honestly, it does help me with my skin. Like, I used to use the MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm out of it. It always gave me a lot of like acne, so this is good. I use a foundation. This is the classic Fit Me Matte and Poreless 310 Sun Beige from Maybelline. Anyways, I don't really like a lot of makeup during school just because I end up sweating for multiple reasons. And plus, when I go home, I don't go home. I go to our family business and I chill there until I can go home. So, yeah. Anyways, that's how much I put on my hand. It looks like I always have a birthmark on my hand when I finish, but yeah, whatever. I'm taking this Under Eye Perfector brush. It's not, it looks like a foundation brush to me. And yeah, my friend Alexa got this for my birthday. Well, not for my birthday, for Christmas. Thank you, Alexa. But yeah, I try to cover up the acne scars so that my skin is even. I don't really care too much for the mouth because I sweat through the most. So I just try to put on the outer corner. And plus it looks really crusty if I put it there. I think I need a new foundation. I don't like doing a lot of makeup, as I said already, because yeah, I just finished my school's production of Little Shop of Horrors, and I had to put on makeup, like stage makeup every day, so I'm not usually feeling like too much makeup, but the forehead is where I go ham. I never intend to, but I just do. But yeah, remember to always blend into your, what's that called? Hairline. Because one time I went on this orchestra trip and I was sitting in the bus and this kid was like, yo, are you wearing foundation? I was like, yeah. Because I thought it was a compliment, but he's like, yeah, I could tell because your hairline's over here, but your foundation line's like right here. So remember to always put it into your hairline, guys. Push. I don't know. Is that right? Like pushing? I don't know. I just like blended in. As you can see, I'm like 3 shades lighter now. But it's whatever, guys. It's whatever. I just started using this, but it's been working fine. I haven't seen no acne stuff. But this is the MAC Medium Golden Pro Longwear Powder. It's the pressed powder. And I got this during my 8th grade formal when I got my makeup done. I would not recommend getting your makeup done. It was kind of a waste of money even though I got products, you know. But like, yeah. Anyways, here it is. I got it wet sometime, so I don't really know if the product's actually coming off, but whatever. So yeah, I take this Real Techniques Expert face brush. I swirl it in there, and then I just like press into my face because I can. Sometimes I just like not even press. So then I move on to my eyebrow. So I use this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill. It's basically like the Goof Proof pencil, but drugstore. I'm looking for a new eyebrow pencil though, so if you have any recommendations, then comment down below because I'm in need of them. Because even though I like this, it's not like the greatest, you know. I try to do light strokes, but sometimes your girl goes ham. So if I happen to go ham today, then yeah. Oh my god, I completely just broke. Well, now I have to get a new eyebrow pencil because, oh wait, no, it didn't break. Fooled. Now on to my lipstick. I watched this video from Julian XO, good YouTube friend, and she recommended the Lolita lipstick. So after I watched that video, I was like, wow, I should get it because I don't have a lipstick. So I've been using it since, and it's probably expired, but whatever. Okay, continuing. Since I look like a ghost and then I have this and this, I'm gonna be spraying myself with the Mario Badescu spray again as like a setting spray, mainly so that my foundation will come off sooner than my lipstick. Usually I'm not feeling highlighter. I'm not feeling it, so we're not gonna wear it. So I kind of just like live like this. It's not really like, oh girl, wow, you're serving looks. It's more like, oh, you're alive. So that's what I meant by 0 to 0.2. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like it if you like it if you hate it, like it if you don't have an opinion on it, and subscribe because I make videos every single week. I hope you guys are having a good day or had a good day, and peace, hope me. That was really awkward.